Hi everyone, today I'm showing you our favorite website tool that we use to find amazing last minute cruise deals fast. I'll show you how to find the best prices, how to sort in your currency, and I will point out some unbelievable current deals. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on other cruise hacks like this one. Hi everybody, welcome back to KirkToriStory. Today I am going to show you one of my favorite places to find last minute cruise deals, and it's called Vacationstogo. So all I type in into the browser is vacationstogo.com, and I log in with my email and I'm set. Once I'm logged on, I click on to the 90-day ticker. This is what I'm talking about with you today. So under here, you're going to see the best cruise deals over the next 90 days. Everything is divided up into different sections. As you can see, we have Africa, Alaska, Antarctica, Asia, and it just keeps going on and on here. We have the Middle East, we have the Pacific, repositioning, and more. So I'm going to be talking about the quick headings here on how to search and use this website. So you can do a search by different cabin types. Every price that you see here will be based on a general interior cabin per person, or you can divide it into ocean view, balcony, suite, or sometimes you just have to be careful. The suite term can be used for mini suites as well. The other thing I'll be talking about is how you can switch your currency. So everything I'm going to show you right now is going to be in American dollars, but you can switch it to Canadian, Australian, European. And then I'm also going to point out another favorite part here is dividing everything into price per night. So very quickly, if you find anything interesting, you need to note these numbers here, the fast deal numbers, how many days a cruise is, when the sailing date is. You can sort by the departure that the cruise is leaving from or where it ends in. You can sort also by the cruise line or the cruise ship and the starting price or how much you save. So there's a whole bunch of different things you can do. So we'll just do a couple of examples here. So let's just say you want to go to Bahamas. So today is actually September 6th. So in 2 days, September 8th, we have Virgin Valiant Lady leaving for $106 per night USA. Here's the Vacationstogo number that you need. It's called a fast deal. You can see the inside cabin is $588 each. The ocean view is $738. Balcony is actually less money than the ocean view. And this is one of the reasons that this website is so good, because it does point out things like that. You can also see what it's including. So it is including your gratuities, some non-alcoholic beverages, unlimited internet. So that's kind of a crazy price. This is a total price that's including your taxes and your port fees and everything for 5 days. So it's less than, well, it's approximately $100 per night per person, but it's including all of these extras. So we can go back to the 90-day ticker. We can also sort from departure port. Let's say that you only like to leave from Fort Lauderdale, for example. So here we have, for example, Fort Lauderdale, 3 days on the Celebrity Reflection, $92 per night. Again, you would just click on the fast deal, and then you can see that, here again, the balcony, the ocean view, and the inside cabin are pretty much all the same prices. And it says if you book a certain cruise cabin category, what you would get sometimes is extra. So what's also great about this website is that you can click right onto the cruise ship. You can find out all you can about the ship, and then you can look at the deck plans and you can see, what exactly does my cabin look like in terms of size. So it's great that way. So I'm going to go back now to the 90-day ticker, and I'm going to show you my favorite feature, which is price per night. I like to see where the great deals are. So in Africa, we only have one deal. Alaska, there's currently only 2 deals, and Antarctica, there's 5. So let's just go down to see where all the deals are. So Bahamas, you have an 8-day on the MSC for $45 a night. Let's say you want to go on Celebrity, or let's try Royal Caribbean. So we have a 4-night October 21st on the Royal Caribbean. It's $79 a night for the inside, which works out to $317. But look, the ocean view and the balcony is also pretty much the same price. So if you wanted to go back and just check to see how much that is, you can go back up to the top here and then sort it by the balcony prices, and then you can see that the prices have changed. And the last thing I do want to point out is, again, I'm Canadian, so I'm going to switch all the numbers now to Canadian, and then you can see the price per nights along the side here. So again, remember these prices are per person, and then when you do actually click onto one of these deals, then you can see the total cost here in the corner. I hope this helps. This is one of my favorite sites, and I hope that you have fun trying it out.